Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel from home. If you're looking to improve hair growth, you're in the right place. Start by washing the aloe plant, but be careful of the spiky areas at the sides. Then you're going to cut off the bottom of the plant and discard it. Cut and remove the prickly parts that are at the sides of the leaves. Slice the leaves of the aloe plant in pieces. Remove the top layer of the skin from the gel. I find that using a spoon is a much easier and safer method than using a knife. Use the spoon to scoop out the gel from the plant leaf and place them in a container. Wash again and drain the water. Pour the gel in a blender cup and blend until everything is dissolved. Use a cheesecloth or any suitable material that will get the job done. Straining properly is important as you don't want the residue from the plant to get in your hair. Pour the aloe gel in a glass bottle and add 1 teaspoon of castor oil and 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. Castor oil is also excellent for boosting hair growth as well as supplying nutrients to the scalp and hair. And peppermint is refreshing and improves scalp health. It also increases blood circulation of the hair follicles, promoting faster hair growth. Go ahead and close the bottle and shake to combine the oils together. Use this simple but effective home remedy for hair growth at least twice a week. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.